What's up, YouTube? Haven't been around the past few weeks. Had some family emergencies and some trucking related incidents we need to take care of. But we've got the Cascadia back in the shop today. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and then I'll show you what we're doing. We've got it pretty much well stripped. I need to replace this cross member that the motor sits on. It's broken. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook the engine here, undo the bolts, undo the axle, the leaf springs, and drop it out like we did on the last one. We also got to do the oil pan. Oil pan's cracked because the ABS relay valve mounting plate got smashed up in there, so we're going to get that done. I haven't decided if I'm going to do a live of this or if we're gonna just do some long form videos. We'll do that. I have a bunch of new parts for this truck. They all finally came in, so we'll get rolling on this and see what we decide to do here.